Today, we're tackling a very practical question many of you have been asking. Can I use a Visa gift card on DoorDash? It seems simple, but as we peel back the layers, there's a bit more to it than a simple yes or no answer. Let's dive right in. Firstly, we need to understand what a Visa gift card is. Essentially, it's a preloaded debit card that allows the cardholder to use it for purchases up to the amount that was preloaded onto the card. These cards are versatile, accepted anywhere Visa is accepted, making them a popular gift choice for many. Now, turning our focus to DoorDash, a leading food delivery service that connects people with their favorite restaurants. The question at hand is whether this popular service accepts Visa gift cards as a form of payment. Here's where it gets interesting. Technically, because Visa gift cards are treated like Visa credit cards, they should be accepted on DoorDash. However, there's a catch: the billing address. Many online services require a billing address to process payments, and preloaded gift cards don't automatically have a billing address associated with them. But don't lose hope yet. There is a workaround. You can register your Visa gift card with the issuer. You'll find instructions on the back of the card or the issuer's website, and add a billing address to the card. Once you've done that, you should be able to add your Visa gift card as a payment method on DoorDash, just like you would a regular debit or credit card. It's important to note, though, that success might vary depending on the specific card and its issuer's policies. Some users have reported difficulties using gift cards on DoorDash, while others have had smooth experiences. In conclusion, yes, you can use a Visa gift card on DoorDash, but it might require an extra step of registering the cards with a billing address first. This brings us to an essential reminder. Always check the terms and policies of both the gift card and DoorDash before proceeding to ensure a smooth transaction. Thank you for watching. This exploration into the use of Visa gift cards on DoorDash highlights the importance of understanding the nuances of digital payments. Whether you're gifting a card or trying to use one, it pays to know how these transactions work. Happy ordering!